So here it is, undercarriage fitted and ready to fly. Well, here we are then, the maiden of the Bixler. Oh bum! That was going left, wasn't it? I don't know what happened there. I'll put it on high rates.
I'm going to land down the strip, going towards the car park. You know why it went back to the right?
No, I can only assume you're supposed to. They recommend a two-bladed prop. I've got a three-bladed. The only thing I can think of was engine torque, you know. But if I'm going to put it on high rates for a start, let me just check. I've got it the right. Got the controls the right way, haven't I? Turning right. Yeah, that one up, that one down. Elevator. I'll give it full chat as well this time. So nice.
Right over there for you?
Yeah, nice high one. Oh, it climbs though. There's plenty of power there, isn't there? Plenty of power. In fact, it's climbing too much. I'll shut the throttle down. It's still climbing too much. I'm rubbish at trimming these when I'm flying. I hate it. I'll put the nose down, that's better. Still climbing too much. It's climbing like a nutter, look at that.
Yeah, you need to mix some down elevator in with your motor.
That's better. Just about. I can't get it down. Well, I'm going to land it when I can. I'm not very happy with that. Whoa, it just keeps swooping up.
More down elevator.
I've got it trimmed right down as far as I can go. Landing! If I can, I can't get the blooming thing down. Whoa. Thanks for the throw. Good throw. Anyway, the model survived. That's the most important thing. Later, the guy that helped hand launch suggested that it might be the angle of incidence of the tail relative to the main strut. So I did a cut and shut in it on the fuselage here, just made a cut in the foam, hot glue, bent it down a little bit, and I put some tape there to reinforce it. So it's pretty much 0-0 now. Also suggested that it might be the COG because it was dolphining, but the COG is actually spot on to where Bixler say it should be. It does show symptoms of being tail heavy, so I will add more nose weight for the next test flight. I've also adjusted the throws on the elevator a bit, give it more authority. So hopefully, coming up soon, will be a successful flight of this. It's the first kit that I've built in ages, and I just assumed it was going to fly brilliantly right from the off, but it just goes to show things don't always go the way they're planned. You may have spotted my F-22 foam board model in the video. I flew that next and it was absolutely brilliant. Hopefully there'll be a video of that coming up soon too. And I don't know if you can hear that. That is the rain lashing down on my Velux. So there's not going to be any flying for a while. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out some of the other vids, including the vid saying how I actually put this together and a few things they don't tell you when you buy the kit. And there's lots of flying stuff on my channel. Loads of RC stuff, foam board constructions, little gliders, drones, all kinds of things. So if you're really bored, check that out. And don't forget to hit subscribe if you want to see some more of my vids. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Catch you all again soon. Bye for now.